Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Eric Wilhelm here with a quick video blog for you on a Wednesday morning. It's the 21st day of February, and today is our big change day. After a record high yesterday of 73 degrees, today a cold front's pushing through, and it's going to put an end to the ridiculous warmth, and what I've been calling fake spring is about to come to an end. Here's a look at the radar and temperature loop this morning. You can easily pick out our cold front heading our way. Also heading our way, some showers. Despite a relatively dry start with just a few sprinkles out there this morning, it's going to turn into a pretty showery day today. It's not going to rain all day, but we're going to see a few showers coming and going throughout the day. Let me stop the loop here and I'll take off the radar. You can see that all this green is heading our way, even though this band of rain is likely to weaken as it comes east. These are the current temperatures at this hour. Oops, they disappeared. Let me try that again. Here's the current temperatures. I'll make the font a little smaller so more stations show up. Notice the difference across Ohio. It's 70 down near the West Virginia-Ohio border, and it's almost freezing near the Michigan-Ohio border in northwest Ohio. So there's almost a 40-degree change from northwest Ohio down into parts of southeast Ohio, and the 24-hour temperature change is very, very impressive. You can really see where this cold front is marching east. Look at these changes over the last 24 hours, these deeper blues, where of course it has turned much, much colder. Let's talk a little bit about the rain today. Again, I don't think the rain's going to be a real big story. It's going to be inconvenient, yes. It's going to be a chilly rain when it does fall, and there's also a gusty breeze. But notice on the model here how that kind of big band of green kind of weakens as it comes east. It's going to run into a less favorable environment for steady rain, I think, as we go into the midday. So there's going to be some showers around, yes, but there's going to be some dry time as well. By far and away, the bigger impacts today, the temperatures, it's going to feel a lot different by 4 o'clock this afternoon than it does this morning. Some showers here and there, but as we go into the night tonight, especially past midnight, moisture is going to be coming back in from the south and west, and temperatures are tricky tonight. Now, down here at the ground where we live, it'll be around 32 on average, maybe 31 in a lot of spots, but up above our heads, it'll still be well above freezing, and that's a recipe for at least some sleet, if not some freezing rain. Now, I don't think, I've been talking about this since yesterday, I don't think this is real high impact stuff, but where you see this purple, this is 5 o'clock Thursday morning. This is where, we could see some freezing drizzle, freezing rain. Temperatures are going to be marginal, and what I mean by that is, a lot of times for impactful freezing rain, we need the temperature to be like 27, 28. In most cases, it's going to be like 31, 32 tomorrow morning. The ground is warm. It was 73 yesterday, so the ground is still pretty warm. So with marginal temperatures and a warm ground, that's a recipe for mostly non-impactful freezing rain. Now, bridges, overpasses, elevated surfaces, anything that tends to turn colder before other surfaces, there could be some slick spots tomorrow morning, but I'm not real concerned about a real high impact morning commute tomorrow. And then this will just transition into a chilly rain for the rest of the morning as we rise above freezing, and we'll just be left with clouds for tomorrow afternoon. More rain's coming. This is a wet pattern. I think on Friday, here comes another round of rain. You see the green there over Ohio and Pennsylvania. So we go into Saturday, we might start dry, but here comes another band of rain for the midday and afternoon. And then a windy day coming up on Sunday with rain showers. Notice our isobars here are packed together very tightly. And this will be a day like today where temperatures fall all day. Whatever the temperature is at 6 or 7 in the morning on Sunday, that's likely to be as warm as it'll get all day. And that'll set the stage for finally some dry weather early on next week, even though it will be a little bit chillier. Now, we may have some minor flood concerns over the next several days. Swollen creeks, rivers. We're talking about Eagle Creek in Trumbull County, Mahoning River near Leavittsburg, kind of the usual suspects. We'll have to watch those places. The rest of the region, I'm not real concerned about any sort of big flooding issues, but this is the European model I'm showing you here, and it shows about 2 to 2.5 inches of rain over the next 5-6 days. So pretty healthy amount of rain, and everything is running a little bit high as far as the rivers go. So that's something we'll be following as we go through the rest of the week and the weekend. All right, I'll see you tonight on 21 News at 6, and we're on time tonight at 11 as the Olympic coverage ends at 11 tonight. So look forward to seeing you then. Hope you have a great Wednesday, and bundle up this afternoon. It's going to feel a lot different out there.